you must learn.
Hi, I'm Rifkin reporting to you live from Hilton Garden Inn in Sacramento, California. And the national security level color has been raised to Village People Purple. It's not even a color.
Your hands to the beat, y'all. Come on and clap your hands to the beat. Everybody just clap your hands to the bass. Just clap your hands to the bass.
Somebody say ain't no half stepping. Come on, ain't no half stepping. Let's get softer. Ain't no half stepping. A little softer. Ain't no half stepping. A little bit softer. Ain't no half stepping. Now let's get louder, y'all. Ain't no half stepping. A little louder, y'all. Ain't no half stepping.
You ain't a papa, people family time, but I'm a lady, my knowledge is a reality on the road. Reality to galaxy. The reason to the bees, listen to the weed. When it came representing penitentiary. I'm the hotel boy, can't from North Downtown. I know you know first life was like the boss of one thing. Driving too fast, I was flying too low, nigga. Walking too quick, nigga. This is the song, nigga, structed. When it's up to you, this why your family say we the best shit. Talking about an obstruction and turning something that up in front. Put the emotion into every function. Pumping it up, jumping it up, jumping it up. It's jumping and jump, I want me up.
Y'all ready to do it? Come on up. You gotta see it to believe it. Come on up. You gotta see it to believe it. You hear that? Real DJ. Yeah, keep that going. I ain't heard that in a long time.
I want you to pull your hands out. Pull your hands out. Put your cell phones in the air. We're gonna do Michael Jackson. We're gonna play this tempo. Turn the lights out. Turn the lights out. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Let's go.